Stalker Puppet Productions. I'm the super vegetarian. Stop! Stop! No, that's meat. Meat's dead. Yeah, meat's dead. That's No, no. Hey! No! No! Oh crap, what should I do with these taquitos? Eat it! No! I guess I could throw them in a river. A super vegetarian goes on her long quest to the river. She skips to the river. Where is super vegetarian going?
The river, silly.
On the long quest. She's gone. I cannot find super vegetarian. She has disintegrated.
I don't like bacon.